My screen is visible.
Yes, Shiva, your screen is visible now.
Okay. It's a notepad is visible.
Yes, Shiva, notepad also visible.
Okay, I will increase the font size.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, okay, okay.
You can see it's a for loop. For loop using we are iterating the same while loop. What perform the actions. Same actions will do the for loop also. Same action performs. Okay. This is the statements for loop. You can see for loop is used to for iterating the over a sequence. Okay. Automatically you can't write the increment order. Okay, without increment statement we can use this for loop condition. Okay, before you are using C++, we are using for loop also. That time you write we are writing the increment statement, but in this Python can't write now increment statement. Okay, I can initialize the list. One of this list, in the list it's a some variables are present, that is apple, angular and java, typescript. Wait a minute, guys. This is my list. We can give also dictionary. I will explain you. I will copy this. I will open in my idle first of all. I will open my Python file. First of all, I can initialize this variable. I will call to fruits. You can give any name. I can give data. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, and next, what is what is the data is present in this variable? I can retrieve the one by one. That variable we can retrieve the one by one. You can store in the variable x. You can see this data will be, what is the data set? This is the list data type. Okay, in the list data type present in the variables, this is the string type. Okay, I missed the columns. Okay, you can give any variables or you can give numbers. And also at a time this is the taken the strings and variables also in this list. Okay, this data we can retrieve the one by one within the with we can store in the x variable. And next I can print the this variable. Okay, this code is very difficult. Any guys are listening or not?
What, Shiva?
Any difficult in the code? Are you understanding this code?
We are
Guys,
filling. Yeah, right.
see guys, first of all, we can retrieve the apple in the store in the x variable. It's a for loop, it goes to the statement will be true because the print will be executed. Otherwise, it's not executed, maybe. Okay, can take in the next variable. How to take in the variables, the how to action performs the for loop. This is the this for wait a minute guys. For loop only takes the index values. What is the index? This is the index 0, this is the index 1, this is the index 2, index 3, index 4. The list or any data types are starts from 0th index. The for loops taken only index values. Okay, the index you can take in the index 0. First of all, what is the value of the index 0? The value is stored in the x. The value will be printed. That is the statement of the in for loop in this statement. Again, take in the index of index 1. What is the value of index 1? Angular. That angular you can store in the x variable. After that, the statement will be executed. What are the statement you can write now? Otherwise, you can write the if conditions or any. You can print now only Angular. I want to print only Angular. What can I do? I can write if condition if x equal to x double equal to Angular. That time only print the Angular. This is the most important for, syntax for loop because we are retrieve the data from the database. The database particular person value you can particular person name you can show now. That time you can use this format and list method or otherwise the dictionary method. I will explain a dictionary method also in dictionary key and key and values present already discussed dictionary. Okay, once you can print now this variable. Okay, you can see only Angular will be present, but in the for loop, in the for loop executing every index will be executed, but if the condition is Angular equal to that time only I want to print that x value. Okay, are you understand or not? All are guys,
Yes, sure.
any doubts?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Only Hussein, Rajesh are there. Remaining members, remaining peoples.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Yeah, no Shiva. Okay, what happened to Tirupati?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next, I will explain. Again, I will explain within the dictionary because the dictionary is most important. I will take same data, but dictionary has a key and values. What is the key? What is value? How to define key and value? You can see. You can use these columns in the left side is was key and right side element is value. Red coding language. This is also coding language. I will give in the one is Raju. Visible purpose, I will enter the button. I click on the enter button. Okay. Guys, ఇది జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోండి ఎందుకంటే డేటా మొత్తం మనకి దిస్ ఇస్ ది JSON ఫార్మాట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో యూ కాల్ టు ది ఇన్ ద పైథాన్ యూ కెన్ కాల్ టు dictionary in the JSON format same will be present, same performance we can do now that time, and also APIs comes that time also we can retrieve the data, you can push the data using APIs, same action will be performed. You can understand or not, tell me, because Django total ga మొత్తం వర్క్ అయ్యేది దీని మీదే వర్క్ అయ్యేది. What is the data? Tell me guys, I will ask one by one questions today. Yeah, Amrut, tell me what is the key, what is the value? In this, what is the value, what is the keys? Amrut, are you there? Anusha,
Apple is key. Value
okay.
is red.
Red, okay. And next? Yeah, tell me, Anusha.
Angular is key. Dictionary is coding.
Coding. What is this?
TypeScript is key. Dictionary is value is coding.
Okay, this is?
One is key. Value is Raju.
Okay. Okay, next
Two
one.
is key.
Madhuri. Okay, okay, Anusha. Madhuri. Bala. Bhavani.
సార్ ఒకసారి డిక్లరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్ లూప్ ఒకసారి చెప్తారా?
Yeah, definitely. ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ డేటా ఫీల్డ్ ఉండిద్ది. ఏదైతే డేటా మనం తెచ్చుకుంటామో డేటా అనేది విత్ ఇన్ ది
అంటే ఫస్ట్
సెట్
సింటాక్స్
అయితే
చెప్పి నార్మల్ ఇలా చెప్పండి సార్. ఫస్ట్
yeah,
సింటాక్స్.
already done. Okay, syntax means only for loop. This is the you can give in the data set, whatever maybe it's called list or tuple or range, whatever maybe you can give now. Okay, no need for any conditions are there in the for loop. Okay, దీంట్లో మనకి ఎలాంటి కండిషన్స్ ఉండవు. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ రైట్ ది కండిషన్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ యూజింగ్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
ఓకే, యూ కెన్ గివ్
అది
ది డేటా.
ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ కూడా అవసరం లేదా సార్? ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ కూడా అవసరం.
ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ కూడా అక్కర్లేదు మనకి. మీరు డేటా సెట్ అనేది ఉంది కదా, ఆ డేటా ఏదైతే మీరు లిస్ట్ కానీ సెట్ కానీ డిక్షనరీ కానీ టపుల్ కానీ ఇస్తారో ఆ డేటా అనేది డేటా వేరియబుల్ ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, దాంట్లో వచ్చిన డేటా దీంట్లో ఉన్న డేటా ఉంది కదా, ఈ డేటా వన్ బై వన్ మనకి రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకునిద్ది. అయితే ఆ రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకున్నాక ఏమైంది అంటే ఆ వేరియబుల్ని ఆ యొక్క వాల్యూని ఈ యొక్క వేరియబుల్కి అసైన్ చేస్తుంది ఫర్ లూప్. ఓకే, ఈ ఫర్ లూప్ అసైన్ చేసినాక నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ, ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ తీసేయండి. ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ లేదనుకోండి, ఈ లోపల ఉన్న స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది. బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఓన్లీ particular angular will be I will print now. That time I can use the if condition. Okay, the x variable, the variable in the data one by one check now. The variable is angular, that time angular equal to angular, that time it's print action will be performed. Otherwise, can't perform. Okay. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sampath, tell me what is the key, what is the value in the data. In the dictionary, what is the key, what is the values? You can tell me. Yeah, Sampath.
Apple is the key, value is the return.
Okay. Next.
Angular is key,
Okay,
code
I
is.
will change now. This is the correct or wrong. You can tell me. What is the key? What is the value? First of all, can tell me what is this? This is the right or wrong? This is only I am asking. This is
Yes, it is right, sir.
okay. Who is this?
Ravi.
Ravi. Okay. Tell me, Ravi. What is the key? What is the value in this?
Key is the Ramu and value is the 2.
Yeah. You can only if the colon is the right value is the act key. It's a sorry, not a left side is the key. It's a right side is the value. Okay. You can do for perform. You can write the print action. But in this time, I will call to only key values. How to call only key values? You can see. Okay. You can see only Apple Angular type 1 Ramu 3 4 only is coming because it's taken only it is taken only key values in this key Apple and Angular. Okay. How to collect the values in the data? You can put in the dot items. This is the function. That time you can collect the key and values. I will put on the X. I can separate it by the equal to or columns. Otherwise, you can use concatenation operation because both are integers. Integers are present or not in this data. In the data, integers present or not
This is present. So 1, 2, 3
present.
are the integers.
Yeah. That time, what happened? It's a concatenation operation is perform or not?
Yeah, it will perform.
Concatenation
No,
perform.
sir. It's take as addition.
It's addition. Yeah. Because we are using comma. Once check now, you also. And next, I can give y. Once see what is the items. It's showing. I am writing the item. It just shows the. You can see what is the error. It's a dictionary has a object to no attribute item. It's a did you mean items? ఓకే మీరు రాయటం తప్పు రాశారు అది మేబీ ఐటమ్స్ అయి ఉంటుంది ఐటమ్ కాదు వన్స్ మీరు వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి అని చూస్తుంది పర్టికులర్ రోలో చూడండి ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ ది ఎర్రర్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ఈజీలీ ఇన్ పైథాన్ ఓకే run now you can see apple red coding. Okay, within the only I want to only keys. I want to keys only. That time you can print now only X. That time you can print the keys only. Otherwise you want to only Y. I want to only values. I want to that time you can put in the Y. It's a printing the values. Okay. Are you understand?
Yes, sure.
Or understand?
Yeah.
Anyone, any doubts in this? How to key values are retrieve and how to values are retrieve and both key and values how to retrieve?
Sir, I have one doubt. Can I ask?
Yeah, awesome.
So in that, so data and list is kind of arrays, right? So we are creating,
Not
and
a
so for
array.
suppose
Not this array. This is the
no,
dictionary.
no, no. I'm saying it's kind of right. So because of it's of a list of elements, right? In present in that square brackets, it's a list of
I
data.
will tell you. It's a array is different in the Python entire. Okay, array concept means you can see this is the array. We can use this method. You know mathematics in what is this?
Matrix
Array
format.
means matrix. Yeah, matrix format. This is the array in the Python and also all these. Yeah, this is the two-dimensional array. Okay, but we don't know this kind of only for this type of data is present only retrieve from the database. We can use the array concepts from the where you can use data analyst. You can go to data analyst. At that time you can use the array concepts and also you can learn the numpy array numerical python you can learn now. That time you can go to data analyst. That time you have some knowledge on array concept. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is different. Array concept is different. This is the different. You can data will be present in this format only. You can database data will be coming. We are working with a Django. That time you have DB SQLite 3 is present. That time you can store the data. Store the data. How do you can retrieve now? You can use this JSON format. You can call also JSON. JSON also same format is there. But in the Python we calls to dictionary. Okay, only values are there. That time you can call to set. Okay, you can see. I will give set one. What is the difference between dictionary and set? Okay, guys. Only values are present that time. That is the set. Okay. Key and values are both are present. That time calls to dictionary. You can also this set you can call you can also convert to dictionary. How to you can convert now? You can call to method array function. AR is not defined. Did you mean dir? No. No. Is not defined dict. Okay, sorry guys. You can choose the what are the actions are performed that set. You can choose it. You can do you know class? Do you know doc? dir means what the perform the actions we present in the list. You can do now. You can update now. You can remove now. You can use the pop function And union means you don't know union. We have a two data sets. That time you can union operation is there. That time duplicate data will be present in the union means not duplicate data present. That time you can use the union operator. Union all means you have duplicate data is present that time. That is the difference between union and union all. Okay, union and union all is came from also in the database part. Hmm. In the conversion method is not there in the set not conversion data is not there. It's a different update. It's subset and a symmetric difference update. No function is not there for the you can take list one. Want to tuple. It's adding I am adding two piece. You can see I converted into list to tuple. And also tuple to list you can also do it. Okay guys, why we can't change this, we can't set it to dictionary because the key and values are pair. In this only values are pair because can't do it. Okay, all are understand this operation? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, my aim only first of all how to for loop is
Explain it again.
execution. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Explain
yeah.
it again.
I convert to, you can delete now. I want to convert into list to tuple. Okay, I can take a list one. In list one, I have some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That values I will convert it into tuple method. Tuple method means within the data, within the open brackets will be present. You can remove these brackets and also you can add the tuple brackets. Tuple means open brackets. Okay, I can run
Round
now
bracket.
once. Yeah, I can save now. You can see the data will be present in the within the
Round
brackets.
bracket.
Yeah, in this data you can't edit and update or delete any functions. Can't do that actions. Okay, not perform
In tuple.
in
If the
tuple.
data is available in tuple.
In tuple, that time you can't any operations can't do it in the adding or subtracting or pop operations. Can't
In
changeable that
list,
data. No, not in. It's in tuple because
you
I
can
converted
change
into.
the data in list.
Yeah, you can change now. You can change and
Oh,
add, insert. That operations all are. You can check now once. Okay. I will go
okay.
to main topic is any doubts in the data in the dictionary format? How to retrieve the data keys and values? Any doubts?
No.
No. Okay. Uh, all are first of all signing in the hacker rank.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, you can log in now. My account was some problem maybe. Anyone share your screen? Hacker rank login screen. Can I stop my screen sharing? Yeah, how to use the hacker rank? I will show you. I will explain you. Anyone of you share your screen?
For signing, Shiva,
What to say?
for signing purpose,
Ah,
you
yeah,
will assist
signing
me.
purpose. Yeah, yeah, you
Okay,
can
I will
volunteer
check.
now. Okay. Yeah, hide it. Hide it.
Oh, yeah, it is okay.
Yeah, it's visible. That option also you can do it now. You choose now. It's a pin. Okay.
Yeah, it is visible.
Oh yeah, it's visible. Hacker rank. Okay, login.
Sign up,
Yeah,
Shiva.
start. Yeah.
But companies
No, not a companies for job
sign up.
seekers. No. Sign up and code for job seekers because that time you have in the job seekers in portal. That time you are offering the jobs also. Some
Okay,
companies are
sign
offering
up.
to you. Yeah.
First name and last name.
Yeah. You can give and email and you can create a password. లావణ్య ఏంటి నిద్ర వస్తుందా? Gayatri, tell me what is the key, what is the value?
Shiva, tell me what can I do now?
Yeah, you can save now.
I am here too.
Okay. Prepare for interviews. No, not there. You can click now. Prepare for job interviews or learn compare with others. Any one of
I am a student or work professional.
mm. No,
I am
your what
student.
is your student? Okay, click on student.
Yeah.
Working professional means you have some experience in Python.
Yeah.
That's the meaning. Mm. Select option.
I'm graduating
2000 which batch?
2019 batch in graduation.
Okay, you can select now 2022 batch.
I have
Okay,
my interview in
so I have interviews now.
more than three
Maybe
months.
more than 3 months. Otherwise, you can click now. Skip option also there in the top corner also there. Okay,
Yes,
let's
yes,
go.
yes. Okay. Yeah, this is the
You have programming, data structures, and mathematics. You have a lot of sections are there.
Yeah.
Starts preparation.
Algorithms, data structures,
Okay, data
mathematics,
structures and Pythons,
C, C++,
Java, SQL, artificial
Python,
intelligence.
Ruby.
Okay. Hmm. Yeah, you can select now Python.
Yeah. Okay. Say hello world with Python.
Hmm.
Solve challenge.
You can solve. You can write. You can solve now. Because of I am telling to one thing. Because of you can understand this problem. In the left side, you can first of all read the syntax because you can go now in the companies is given to the problem is very not a critical. It's a language is a different. That's a language you can't understand that time. You can understand that language. Programming language you can understand. What the input is given, what the output expectations. You can understand first of all. In the input format, you can see what the data is given, the output hello world. You can given the any single mistakes that time it's shows the errors. Okay, you can give in the hello world, but you can't put in the comma. You can give only hello world and exclamation mark also you can give. That time it's a showing error. Without comma, you can write now hello world. And also once check now, you can give in the small letter cases also. That time also shows the error.
Run code.
Yeah,
Wrong answer.
wrong answer. Yeah, you can put on first of all comma after you can run now.
Okay.
Only this example only simple. After the third example, third question is very difficult. So only first example is
Yeah, it
very
is
simple.
congratulations.
Yeah,
Discount.
you can. Yeah, submit the code.
Submit code.
Mm. Because of I'm telling to you all of this is the most important. You have any certification? That's all are collecting from pay to money. All are
You have
collected. But this rank will be given this website hacker rank system. This is the most important. You can put on your resume. It's a very weighted resume. That time you have earned the 5 points. You can see.
5 points, yes. Five point
Yeah.
double zero
Again,
points.
next challenge. That shows the next challenge. You can go now. You
Yeah.
can do
Next
coding.
challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, okay,
And
sure.
also, I will explain tomorrow. I will explain.
Important.
I will send you one text file. Once read it, any doubts are came you. Uh, just ask next class. Just ask me in next class. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Hmm. Okay. You can do also
This
in
is
mobile. This is the same website, a hacker rank. You can do now in a mobile view also presented, not a mobile app. In mobile view, I want to mobile view in the hacker rank. Okay.
only Google Chrome.
In the Google Chrome or otherwise you
It
can
is
go now
cited.
any browser, any
Yeah, yeah.
browser. You can see what the expecting output. You can see first of all sample input equal to
Input
3.
is 3.
Sample output is
WEIRD.
wide.
Wide.
Hmm.
Mention n equals to 3. N is odd and odd numbers
Explanation.
are wide. So, okay, wide.
What
Sample
Amrut? You
input
can use
24, not
read
wide.
the Android version to talk. Voice is not working. Watermarks. Watermarks. I don't know, Amrut. You can use now once what happened. Can you explain after me? Voice not working. Okay. Yeah, Hussein,
Yeah, sure.
yeah, what happened? You can you can read now the task first of all. Okay,
Given an
15 minutes are
integer,
there. Mm.
yeah, yeah, task is given
This is
an
the
integer.
real-time examples and also real-time questions asked to the in the exam portal, in the TCS or any essentials. Mm.
CTS.
Yeah, n is odd. Print.
Given an integer, n
Mm.
performs the following conditions.
Any one of tell me. This is the if conditions example. If and else if anyone. If n is odd, print white. If n is the even and in the
In the
in the includes range
inclusive range
2 to
of
5
2
print
to
not
5,
wide.
print not wide. If n is even
I
and in the
can hear you,
inclusive
but I
range,
am also okay. Okay, Amrut. Yeah, anyone. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, in the meeting, 31 members are there. What happened? Sagar, tell me. Sai Lakshmi, Sampath, స్పీక్ నౌ. తప్పో రైటో మీరు చెప్పండి. ఏం కాదు, మీ మీ యొక్క ఆలోచన మీ యొక్క థింకింగ్ మీరు చెప్పండి అంతే. అది కరెక్ట్ అయినా కాకపోయినా ఓకే, అప్పుడు దాకా మీరు దాన్నే నమ్మండి. ఓకే, వన్స్ అది రాంగ్ అని ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రూవ్ అయిందో అప్పుడు మీరు ఓకే అది రాంగ్ అని మీరు నమ్మండి. మీరు చెప్పిందే రైట్ అని అప్పుడు దాకా బిలీవ్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోడింగ్.
Hello.
యా, రాజేష్.
So wide contains of VIRD in the sense.
In the
In
Python,
first condition, if n is odd, so print VIRD. It's showing, right. What is the meaning?
WEIRD. That's a word. Means,
Okay, print word.
yeah, print word.
Okay. If n is odd means we can condition divide it by x equal to percent divided by 2 something.
Range. N is even, not divided. In the what is the my screen is very
if n is odd, print wide.
print while. Okay, next statement you can read now.
If n is even and in the
I think
inclusive range of
includes the range
2 to
2 to
5,
5. Okay, that's
print
print
not
not
wide.
wide. 2
Yeah,
నుంచి 5 దాకా ఆ n వాల్యూ అనేది 2 నుంచి 5 లోపు ఉంటేనంట నాట్ వైర్డ్ అంట.
not wide. Yeah.
నెక్స్ట్,
If n is even and the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print wide.
but in the second condition you can check now, second and third conditions, 2 to 5 in the even numbers only wired.
Yeah,
2 నుంచి 5 దాకా ఉన్న మధ్యలో ఉన్న ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ అయితే అవి వైర్డ్,
not wide.
నాట్ వైర్డ్. నాట్ వైర్డ్, సారీ. అండ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ 6 నుంచి 20 లోపు
Print
ఏవైతే
wide.
ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ ఉంటాయో అవి వైర్డ్.
Wide.
అండ్ నెక్స్ట్,
If n is even and greater than 20, print not wide.
not wired. You can write if else conditions. Every statement has, you can write first condition has a if condition you can write
If
now.
condition.
Yeah. What is the if condition? N is odd, print wired.
Yeah,
What is the statement? If y, if you can give in the n percentage by 2 not equal to 0. You can write now.
tell me, Shiva.
Yeah, you can write now.
Well, here or
No.
here?
You can give. No. You can enter now after strip.
Yeah,
You can give tab, one tab.
one tab. Yeah,
Yeah, you can write now if condition.
yes.
You can start if condition. Yeah. What the value? What is the variable name? You can take a n variable.
N.
Yeah, n percentage z. You can click
Percentage.
now. Shift plus 5.
Yeah.
Mm. 2
2
not equal to
not equal to.
shift 1 equal to no. You can first of all put exclamation mark
Yeah.
after giving the equal to. Okay.
Equal to
0. Give
0.
columns.
Colon. Enter.
After you can write the statement print wired, print of wired. You can print of within the quotation. You can give in the quotations.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. What is the wired in the first one? Is a capital or a small letter? W is
W is wide capital.
yeah, capital. You can give capital.
Yeah, I
Otherwise,
give
it
capital.
throws the error.
Yeah. Run now.
Yeah.
Okay,
After you
another
can write
condition.
the else condition, not else, elif. We have
Elif.
another two options are there because we can write the elif. You can give enter the backspace button.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Elif.
elif.
Yeah,
You
okay.
can write this statement. What is the statement?
We can use nested if, sir.
Nested if not is not a mandatory. You can use the elif condition also is better. Because of this is the second statement condition. Okay, this is the different condition. It's a, you can see first one is the odd, but the second condition is even. That
Even.
time you can go to else condition. Otherwise
In
otherwise if
event
you given
condition,
the yeah boss.
in event condition, we can use nested loop.
No.
In event condition, there is a 3 statement.
No.
So we
In the
can
if condition, yeah. First of all, tell me. I will tell you. In the if condition, you can take in the odd number. How do you go to nested if? నువ్వు తీసుకునేది ఆడ్ నెంబరు, లోపలికి వెళ్ళినాక నువ్వు ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ని ఎలా జనరేట్ చేస్తావు? Because we are going to next if condition. That is the elif condition. Okay.
Siva. First we write if condition n percentage to not equal to.
Okay,
there
that time
in
you
that
can go
place
now.
we can
that time.
we can write the condition for even number. After that we
Okay.
can enter the
that's
remaining
good.
3 condition.
Okay.
And in else elif condition we can write the what condition. Then
that's
it will be
right.
good.
That is
Nested
good.
it will be
Yeah.
also, and these things will also be the solution.
Yeah, boss. That's good. But I am going to step by step. You have some knowledge on coding because you are going. Okay, that's the good. Yeah. Yeah, you can write now else if condition.
Else if. Elif. Yeah. What can
is
I
the
tell?
condition? What is the condition? Tell me. 2 and 5.
2 to 5.
2 to 5.
Range of 2 to 5.
You can put in the n value. N.
Yeah. N.
Greater than
Less than.
greater than 2.
Greater than 2.
And you can use space and n
less than
less
5.
than 5.
Yeah.
Give columns, and you can write the if condition in this. This is the nested if.
Nested if. Yeah.
Space. అతను ఏమని అడిగా, ఇక్కడ ఏమని ఉంది మనకి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ అయితేనే అది ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలన్నారు. That condition you can write now. N percentage. Yeah. Who is this?
Sir, this is Sindhuja.
Okay, Sindhuja.
Sir, if we give n greater than 2, then it will take the value from 3, no sir?
Yeah, because we can write the condition in the nested loop. In the nested loop, we
But in the given question, it's a range of 2 to 5. That means we are including 2 no there.
okay. We can take the you can take equal to operator also. You can take less than greater than or equal to greater than
or
equal
equal
to
to
2. Yeah, good Sindhuja. Yeah, put in the
10
2.
percentile
2 equal to 0.
equals to 0.
Put the column. You can write
యాక్చువల్‌గా
the
మళ్ళీ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదనుకుంటున్నాను సార్. యాక్చువల్‌గా
Column.
పైన వి ఆడియో ఆడ్ చెక్ చేసి వచ్చేస్తది కాబట్టి ఆడియో ఈవెన్ ఆటోమేటిక్‌గా చేసుకుంటదనుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
యాహ్! వచ్చిద్ది. మీ అందరికి తెలుసు. బట్ ఇక్కడ కండిషన్స్ ఏమడిగారో నేను వాళ్ళకి వన్ బై వన్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా. కోడింగ్ తెలిసినోళ్ళకి అర్థమైపోద్ది. తర్వాత నేను మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ అనేది ఇంకా సింపుల్‌గా ఏమైనా చేయొచ్చా అనేది అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే. చెప్పడం మంచిదే చెప్పేయండి. అర్థమైతే ఓకే. దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాజిక్. యూ కెన్ కంపేరింగ్ విత్ it's a above code. That time you can solve your execution lines code. Yeah, you can write now. Same. You can do now. Yeah. You can write print.
Not void.
Not void. Same again. You can write the next statement and also last statement. Also you can write now.
Else part. Right now?
Not required for this. You can escape. No, you can click on backspace. Again backspace. You write the elif.
N greater than or equal to?
Yeah, Sagar. Go ahead.
6.
And 6.
Space, give space.
And n less than or equals to 20.
So 6 or 7.
20. Not equal to. No. Don't put on the equal to. You can give only 20.
20. Okay.
Sir, n greater than or equal to 6 ఉంటాయి కదా 5 అనేది విషయంలో.
Okay, you can give now. Okay, give now equal to also. What happened you can see.
శివ ఇది ముందుకు వచ్చేసింది ఇది.
ఏం పర్వాలా మనం తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ రైట్ నౌ అగైన్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ రైట్ నౌ ప్రింట్. యా
ప్రింట్ వైడ్.
లాజిక్ ఆలోచించండి. మీరు లాజిక్ ని గెయిన్ చేయగలిగితే పైథాన్ అని లేదు, ఏ కోడింగ్ అయినా మీరు చేయగలుగుతారు. ఓకే, లాజిక్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్.
Hello.
Again, yeah. Tell me, Rajesh. Sagar.
Hello.
Sorry. Yeah, Sagar.
n greater than or equal to 6 కదా 6 to 20 కదా even numbers.
Yeah, Sagar. What happened? Sagar, not a Sagar. Same.
I wrote this program in my IDE.
Okay. Share now, Basa. Yeah, you can share in the WhatsApp group. Check now all.
What, sure?
He's did the code. Basar also.
He's putting in the group.
He's putting. Yeah, maybe. Basar.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, you can write now, Hussein.
Yeah.
Anyone do practice now? It's a for loop. You up to you can practice now for loop. Okay.
Okay.
I will share you one text file also. You can do practice now on that text file. You can follow now that file.
Check it, check it. I send it.
Yeah, it is came.
Everyone can practice now. This is the in the text file. I have write the lot of examples and a lot of keywords are there in the text file.
Shiva,
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
can you
This one.
explain this input math, import OS, random,
Okay.
RE, SOS? What are these things? I didn't get it. I just copy it
Okay.
from the.
Okay. This is all are imported files. Means you have creating one file, Python file. Yeah. You can give in the one name, that file name. That is the module. You are calling the module. This is the module, one module. Math module, OS module, random module, a regular expression module, system module. We are using this Python files. We are first of all import the that files. After that, you can utilize now.
If I do not import these things, still it is working.
No, it is
In
not
the ideal,
still working.
in the
Still
ideal by
working, bro.
default. Yeah, boss,
I
sir,
checked
I
it.
will tell you. I will tell you. You are copying from hacker rank
No,
in.
no. I just watch
Yeah,
watching
yeah, yeah.
that somebody is writing, and from
Mm.
that I did not write import functions. Wrote from the if functions. If
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
underscore name.
Yeah,
From
I will tell
that
you.
I wrote these things, and
Yeah.
I try to execute. It is
Mm.
executing. After that
In,
I wrote input function. Those also still it is working.
yeah. It's working. Yeah. Because you are copying from this data. You can copy from website.
No,
Yeah.
I do not copy from website. I wrote. I am watching.
I am
I
telling
am
you, you
watching
are
shared
copying from
screen.
math, import OS, import random, import RA, import says. I'm saying these lines above imported files.
Okay.
Okay, this now talking to this not code. Okay, okay. Uh, these files you can import now. That time in the website in the Python compiler it's working. That time can't work. Okay, you have you have any math operations to do. That time you can use math operation. Any system applications you can use the any XML file, any another Python files. That time you can use OS means your system operation system you can do now.
Operating system. Yeah.
And also random means you can generate the random values. You know random function means lot of coins are presented on the table. That time you can pick the one coin. That is the randomly you can pick it. Yeah, but sir, you wrote it. Yeah, I know. I am talking about only math, OS, random, RE. You can.
No,
Are
someone
you?
asked me. Amrud asked me
Oh,
that you
okay.
are writing or not. I
No.
wrote it. I am watching the shared
Hmm.
screen, and one side I am writing those things, conditions.
Yeah, you very good logic in the Python, and also you have some logic, good logic. That is okay. In the in these files also we are using. After next time, I will tell you next. We are using regular expressions. Maybe we are using and mathematic functions also we are using. In the mathematic functions, pi. How much pi value?
3.14.
Pi value 3.17, 3.14.
3.14. 3.14,
Yeah,
sir.
that values you came from math file, math modules. You can
Yes,
use
sir.
it just you can use input math. After you can retrieve the data from math.py. You once you can see now. Yeah. Any doubts, guys? Guys, any doubts? You can check once text file. I'm already sent in the WhatsApp group. You can check now once. Any doubts in the Python? That's text
For
file.
loop.
Yeah, for loop file.
Yeah,
Today
yeah.
date.
Yeah, 8/2/22.
Mm. Any doubts? You can also same the break statement also same and continuous statement I will explain tomorrow. Continuous statement and a range function also I will explain.
From here, you will discuss tomorrow.
Yeah, I will tomorrow I will explain continuous and a range function. A range
Range
function
function.
is most important. Okay.
Yeah,
A
okay.
lot of students is a confusion between a range function using and also simply you can declare the variable. That time you can some difference are there. Okay. Hello, Sangeeta. Wait a minute. Yeah, Sangeeta. Wait 10 minutes. I have class. That's completed. I will call you. Okay. Yeah, anyone.
Hey, Hussein, run the code.
It is not completed.
You can
Yes,
complete
sir.
now. You can run now.
Input dot strip అని
Otherwise,
ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్.
otherwise, what?
రా ఇన్పుట్ అని ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్. ఇన్పుట్ డాట్ స్ట్రిప్.
Input dot.
రా ఇన్పుట్
Okay,
డాట్
okay,
స్ట్రిప్.
okay. Raw input means I will explain tomorrow. It's a input function by the user. You can entering the data. Already, Amrut explained you. In the script function means we are using the hacker rank. We developed by the code is the hacker rank. Okay. Raw data means you can give the by the user side entering the data. Okay.
పైన ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ కూడా ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Yeah, Hussein,
ఇఫ్ నేమ్
this is the wrong. If main method that is the you can executing the starting line that is the execution line. మీకు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అనేది ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి అనేది సేమ్ వన్స్ యూ కెన్ మ్యూట్ నో
Shiva?
యా వన్స్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్
Yeah, okay.
background music. Yeah, you can share now your screen. It's a you can see if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to main, it's a starting line. You can start from that line to execute the line from the 11th line. Okay, it's a showing the you can execute first that line. Okay, are you understand?
ఇట్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్.
That line.
ఓకే.
Any doubts this type of because similarly this type of commands are presented in the different you can go different companies that time it's a compiling is different and the execution part is a different stylings. That time how do you can find out because this is the live examples is there in hacker rank.
దిస్ ఈజ్ డిక్లరేషన్ ఆఫ్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్.
Declaration
ఆఫ్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్.
yeah, you can do now same
ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఈజ్ దిస్ ఏ డిక్లరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్?
No. It's not a function. It's a line execution starts from with 11th line. You can start now. It's a instruction. It's a given the instruction. You can give the void main in the C++. You can give in the void main. What is the purpose of you can give in the public static void main?
ఇట్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్.
Execution same in this also same. Okay guys, any doubts? Anyone, any doubts?
Why he given dot strip?
It is a compiler has a hacker rank. Okay, you can give in your ideal, you can give only input, the time taken. Okay, don't give strips. You can give only input of. You can check now your ideal also, you can execute now. The user side you can entering the data. మీరు మీ యొక్క ఐడియల్ నుంచి డేటా అనేది ఎంటర్ చేస్తారు. ఆ డేటా మీ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామింగ్లో స్టోర్ అయి ఉండిద్ది. మీరు ఇప్పుడు మీ యొక్క ఫేస్బుక్ అకౌంట్ ఉంది, క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, మీ యొక్క నేమ్ ఎక్కడ మీరు ఎంటర్ చేస్తారు. ఎంటర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ యొక్క డేటాని ఎలా తీసుకెళ్ళి డేటాబేస్కి స్టోర్ చేసుకునిద్ది. ముందు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్లో స్టోర్ చేసి ఆ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అనేది తీసుకువెళ్ళి మనకి డేటాబేస్లో స్టోర్ చేసిద్ది. అది స్టాటిక్ పేజీ. మనకి HTML మీకు ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఉండేది మొత్తం స్టాటిక్ పేజీ. అది ఏ యాక్షన్స్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయదు. మొత్తం పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చేసేది అనుకున్న బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఉన్న కోడింగే. HTML అనేది లాంగ్వేజ్ కాదు, మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్ ఓన్లీ, నాట్ ఎ కోడింగ్. మనం తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నామా, ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నామా, హిందీ మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ది లాంగ్వేజెస్, నాట్ ఎ కోడింగ్. ఓకే, డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ కోడింగ్ అండ్ లాంగ్వేజ్, డూ యూ నో? కోడింగ్ అనేది మనకే అర్థం కాదు ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్. అది ఓన్లీ మిషనరీ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. లాంగ్వేజ్ అనేది మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఇవన్నీ అనేవి మనకి రీడబుల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్. AMD means what's the Amruta? AMD, it's a main. You can give in the name equal to main. That time it's a starts from execution line 11. Okay, yeah, any doubts, you can first of all read that text file. You can also, I have given some examples also, you can practice now. You can just copy and paste now. After you can try now another difference. Okay, main means we are using the main function. Okay, also void, what is the meaning of void? Same meaning of in the main. Void main, public void main. The lines execution starts from the function. The class will be starts from line. ఓకే, మీకు ఎలా చెప్పాలంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ రాశాను, కాకపోతే నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాల్సింది ఈ ఫంక్షన్ అన్నప్పుడు నేను దానికి ముందు ఈ యొక్క లైన్ నేను కానీ ఫస్ట్ కానీ ఇచ్చానంటే దానికి ఆ ఫంక్షన్కి ఈ యొక్క కోడ్ మాత్రమే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది ముందు, ఆ తర్వాత మిగతా అన్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మామూలుగా అయితే మనకేమో వాళ్ళ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ అనేది ఇంపోర్ట్ మ్యాథ్, ఇంపోర్ట్ ఓఎస్, ఇంపోర్ట్ ర్యాండమ్, ఇంపోర్ట్ ఆర్ఈ, ఇంపోర్ట్ సిస్టమ్స్, ఇవన్నీ ఇంపోర్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇవన్నీ ముందు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయినాకే ఈ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్కి రావాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం రాసాము, ఇఫ్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మెయిన్ డబుల్ సింగిల్ కొటేషన్లో మెయిన్ అని రాసాము. ఇదేం చేసిద్ది అంటే దీనికి ముందు ఉన్న 10 లైన్లు ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ తర్వాత చేసిద్ది. ముందు ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత వీటిని చేసిద్ది. ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఇంకా మెయిన్ అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు ఎందుకు అక్కడే ఇచ్చారు అనేది. యా అమృత్, నీ డౌట్ క్లియర్ అయింది అనుకుంటున్నాం.
డిక్లరేషన్ ఎలా ఇస్తారు సార్ ఇది?
సేమ్ ఇంతకు మించి ఏమి ఉండదు, ఇదే డిక్లరేషన్. ఎక్కడ నువ్వు ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ చేయనక్కర్లా, ఇంకేం చేయనక్కర్లా. నీ యొక్క పేజీలో ఏదైతే నువ్వు ముందు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కావాలి అనుకుంటావో దానికాడ నువ్వు ఇది రాస్తావు అంతే. I have another meeting because I am leaving. ఓకే గాయ్స్, ఎనీ డిస్కషన్ ఉంటే మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ మేబీ నేనే కదా హోస్ట్. Okay, you can discuss in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, Shiva.
Yeah. న్యూ మెంబర్స్కి ఇచ్చారా మీరు వీడియోస్?
గాయత్రి మేడంకి చేశాను నేను మెసేజ్, మేడం ఇంకా రెస్పాండ్ ఏం కాలేదు.
మీదే బాధ్యత వాళ్ళకి వీడియోస్ ఇచ్చేటట్టు. Okay, I will complete tomorrow range function. You can do now. First of all, practice now. Okay, any questions that time you can ask me. Okay, any questions are free.
Okay, sure.
Okay, bye.
Bye.